Easy does it. Watch the cable. It's shifting. Keep guiding. Rust is coming off. Look at that rust. Careful with the vines. Almost at the workshop. We'll get it cleaned up. Frame's intact. Careful with the rust. Straps are tight. Let's get the jack. Easy now. Keep it level. All right, lowering. Watch the dents. Intact. Secure it.
This gear is seized. Gentle circles to loosen it. Now the chain. The rust is coming off. Good. Next, the linkage. Drying these rusted joints with compressed air. Finishing on the damaged wooden panels.
Look at this deep corrosion here. The frame is compromised, marking this section for repair.
Rust hole on the engine. Photographing. Next. Broken wooden panel. Missing headlamp. Recorded. This oil should loosen that up. Yeah, give it a few taps now. Perfect, that's coming free. Steady now, these trims are fragile. Rotate the wrench slowly, feel for the creak. Good, pull it free. Let's see what's underneath. The inner framework is exposed. Significant corrosion here. A major structural weakness. Easy now, peel it back slowly. That's it, keep it steady. This trim piece is salvageable. The leather is worn but usable. This bracket is too corroded. Set it aside. Steady on that wrench. Oil's on, keep pressure. There, it's turning. Steady now, guide the hook to the bracket. Good. Now secure the chain and check the tension. Careful with the main bearing. Document that rust. It's free. Guide it up slowly. Look at that corrosion. The bearing's seized. Let's check this piston clearance. Using the caliper, that feels smooth. Now for the valves. Minimal wear. This one's good. Look at this rust. It's eaten right through the frame. The whole chassis needs serious work. It's worn down. See this clean section? Check for hairline cracks. Marking this rust hole, it's a weak point. Good. Note that joint too. Let's start with these spokes. Careful with fragile. One down, a few to go.
How's the surface looking now under the light?
It's smooth, very smooth. But check this edge here.
Just a slight imperfection right here. Circle that. Okay, and the seam looks good now.